Hello everyone, I am Kanishk Shrivastava. I have secured All India rank 404 in GATE Mechanical 2021 with score 820. I've started my preparation from April 2020 and I divided my preparation into three parts: April to June, July to December, and January onwards. In the initial part, I just focused on the main core technical subjects. For that, I referred to NPTEL lectures, solved standard textbook questions, previous year questions, and this helped me to build the roadmap towards the application part. In the second part, I subscribed to Unacademy Plus in July 2020. I started with aptitude and mathematics. For both, I referred to Shrinik Jain sir, and sir, your lectures helped me a lot. Thank you very much for that. In aptitude, I hardly remembered any formula, but the concepts sir gave me, I was able to solve almost all the questions. And also in the later part of my preparation, the motivational videos Shrinik sir upload on his YouTube channel that proved as an asset for me. So thank you very much, sir, for that. Coming to the technical part, I referred to Praveen Kulkarni sir, Devendra Singh Negi sir, Varun Singh sir, and for production, Rajiv Singh sir. All my educators helped me a lot. I started my test series from July onwards, and I didn't give too much importance to the marks that I was getting in test series. I just focused to complete my subject till December so that I get ample amount of time for my revision. I dedicated January and Feb for my revision. For the main subjects, I didn't refer to standard books. I just referred to books for the concepts that I was weak in. Okay. So my strategy involved firstly dealing with the subject, understanding each and every concept. Secondly, I referred to all the previous year questions and the standard questions. And third, I focused on revision. Revision is very important. So that is the one thing I want to convey to everyone. And the three things that I experienced in my preparation is: first is patience, and second is concept clarity, and third is we shouldn't compare ourselves with anyone because each and everyone is having different capabilities. So these things help me a lot, and I think if everyone follows the basic concepts, it will surely help you to fetch good marks. And at last, thank you Shrenik sir for giving me this opportunity to express myself. Thank you very much, sir.